Hello, this is Mrs. Ogus. I told you yesterday I would not be here on Tuesday, taking care of Brady at home. So you're going to go to your first period class and click on the fourth 9 weeks. And then you are clicking on this week, 19th through 23rd, and our Monday, Tuesday folder. So we're in the Tuesday section. So you're going to do step 1, book love, which means you're reading the book of your choice for 10 minutes. And that could be any genre or any style. Then once that timer is over, you're going to go to step 4, determining central idea. We left off there on slide 7. So you're going to go to slide 7 and you're going to look at the read aloud on that slide, and that's going to be right here, active engagement, slide 7, read aloud. And so when you get to that, you are reading that to yourself. You're going to open it through Kami so it can, excuse me, it can show up bigger than what it looked like before. So open it in Kami. And you're not reading the whole thing. You're just reading the section that is boxed in at the bottom, which is going to be right here. So you'll read that, and then you're going to put down details that are listed in that read aloud. That means what are some facts or information that comes from that read aloud. So you're just going to share out, take about 1 to 2 minutes to do that. And then you go on to slide 8 and you're going to copy this down. So the first half of your journal is going to have the notes from the read aloud. Looks just like it does on your screen. The details from the text, there's 3 of them, talking about selling sodas to children and things like that. And so all of those details are going to point to one central idea, which is right here. The fact that fast food companies market their products to kids so that they can make more money. So this other half of your journal is designated for your writing about reading today. So when you get done with step 4, you're going to step 5 and you're going to be reading your nonfiction book. And as you read, you will fill out that bottom half of the page, which you see right here in the picture. However many details you can come up with, that's going to be like facts or pieces of information from your book. And then a central idea or a main idea, at least one that those point to. You might have some details are going to this central idea and some to this other one, or just one central idea that all of these pieces of details point to. What is the main idea of all these details? They all point to this one thing. And then you take a picture of this and you submit it here to step 5 in the Monday, Tuesday folder, and then you should be done for the day. There is that timer for however much time you have left in class. So it could be probably 15 minutes for you guys since you are an A and a B student. So just make sure for today you are submitting a picture of this piece of paper in your journal finished with the notes at the top and you're writing about reading at the bottom. And that's what you do for Tuesday.